Hey Aster, just really quick, I wanted to show you how to get your print to OneNote back. If you just hit the Windows key on your keyboard, that brings up this area, and type add for add and remove programs, we're going to run a Windows Office repair. So we're going to click add and remove programs. I'm going to scroll down and look for Microsoft Office, and it might say 365 or Office version 16. Click modify. Click yes, and run a quick repair. And the repair will just rebuild the OneNote printer so you can send to OneNote. And that takes just a couple minutes, and when you run it, that printer should come back. And when you go into OneNote, you can just double check by going File, Options, Send to OneNote, and just make sure the Print to OneNote option is here. Okay? Hope that helps.